Happy Friday, guys. I'm sorry I'm not there. By the time you watch this, I will be having a great time at Teach Your Heart Out Con. Of course, I'll be missing you, but I'm really excited that I'm going to be learning new things to bring back to our classroom so that we can share in those together. So the first thing that you're going to be doing today is you really need to finish those ancient China articles. Answer every question that isn't crossed out. Also remember that if the answer is in the paragraph, you must underline or highlight that answer. Once you are finished with that, you need to turn it into your class's bin on the cart in the back of the room. If you are done with the ancient China articles, you then need to copy down the Shi Huangdi concept web map that I have on the board. A copy of this same concept web map is also on this Google Slides presentation for you. If it's easier for you to see from your seat, please pull it up on your Chromebook. Also, remember, when you are making this concept web map, it should be over 2 interactive notebook pages. And make sure you write the words before you circle them. Now pause the video and do that. All of what I just said, the articles and the concept web map. Okay, if you have finished the articles and now you've finished the concept web map about Shi Huangdi and it's in your interactive notebook, that means that you're ready to begin your 8-point paragraph about Shi Huangdi. An 8-point paragraph is going to prove to all of us with 3 different ideas and explanations as to what kind of ruler you think Shi Huangdi was. The thing about an 8-point paragraph, though, is that it only has 8 sentences. Now, I'm sure that some of you are like, yeah, 8 sentences. However, it's a lot more difficult than it sounds. But I think that you're going to realize that you actually enjoy it. I did not do an 8-point paragraph until I was a senior in high school. So really, you should think you're pretty cool right now. 6th grader doing 12th graders work. Raise the roof. Sorry for that. You can stop cringing now. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to think about what adjective you think describes Shi Huangdi as a ruler. Was he cruel? Was he ruthless? Was he powerful? Was he innovative? Was he a great ruler for all that he provided China with? You need to decide this. Once you have this, you are going to use what we've read from our book and from the videos about Qin Shi Huangdi, the information from all of that, and you are going to use it to help you prove that he was this type of ruler. Now, this is where that organization sheet that the substitute teacher is going to give you comes in. Once you have your adjective, you're going to need to come up with an introductory sentence that kind of hooks your readers in to your 8-point paragraph. Once you've come up with that, you will then need to come up with 3 different ideas that prove Shi Huangdi is this type of ruler. Meaning 3 ideas that show this adjective that you decided on. These ideas should be from your brain. They are not direct quotes. The explanation after these ideas, those are direct quotes from either the book or the video. This will help you. I also don't expect you to finish this today. This is just what you need to be working on, brainstorming, thinking about, drafting, using this organization sheet. So on the organization sheet, you pick which side you want to use, the one that's going to be easiest for your brain. Personally, my brain likes the ones with the boxes. So it has the introductory sentence at the top. It has the first idea box, the second idea box, the third idea box. And then underneath each of those, it's going to have the place for the explanation of those ideas, meaning where the direct quote goes or where more detail goes. And then the last box underneath is the closing sentence. Now remember, everything can only be 8 sentences. 8, no more than 8. I want you to go ahead and pause the video and get started on this. Remember, it's okay for you to use your Chromebook to Google adjectives. Please use your book for adjectives as well that you think are going to describe Qin Shi Huang Di as a ruler. And then work on this throughout the rest of class. So, articles, the concept web map, and then this graphic organizer for the 8-point paragraph. Please do not start writing the paragraph yet. I am going to check these organizers before you are allowed to put the paragraph together. I will do this on Monday when I come back and get to see all of you guys. And love you, mean it. Have a great weekend.